Here are the top 5 ways to save money. 1. Create a budget. Start by creating a budget that outlines your income and expenses. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back and save money. 2. Cook at home. Eating out can be expensive, so try to cook at home as much as possible. Meal planning and cooking in bulk can help you save time and money. 3. Reduce your energy consumption. Make simple changes to reduce your energy consumption, such as turning off lights when you leave a room and using energy-efficient appliances. 4. Shop smart. Look for deals and discounts when shopping for groceries, clothing, and other essentials. Consider buying generic brands and using coupons to save money. 5. Avoid debt. Try to avoid taking on debt as much as possible. If you do need to borrow money, choose low-interest options and pay off the debt as quickly as possible to avoid paying additional interest charges. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell for more tips on saving money. See you next time, and remember, always make better choices.